Hey everyone, welcome back to Kinion Classics. Today's episode, we are going to do a walk around, startup, and a drive video for you on a 1986 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Super Sport. This car, like polar white in color, burgundy stripes, two-tone burgundy stripes down the sides, all the Monte Carlo SS decals. This car has just 49,000 original miles on it. The car is in very, very nice shape. The body, paint, interior, super clean. You'll see that throughout the course of this video. There's a couple small little paint imperfections I'll point out to you, but what a gorgeous automobile. It's got the burgundy interior, the SS steering wheel, power windows, power locks, air tilt, cruise control. It's been auto armored from the factory. All the correct tags are on the door. The jams are very nice. $49,938 miles on the car. Interior's super clean. The seats are in great shape too. It's a little bit deceiving, kind of like how the camera is, but the seats are bright maroon. They're not faded. They look great. 305 5-liter engine under the hood. Stock drivetrain on the car. Car was sold new at I think it was sold new at Dale Chevrolet in Waterloo, Iowa. Spare tire and jack instructions, RPO codes, trunk light works. Just a nice, super straight, slick car. You don't find these cars like this all the time. 9 times out of 10, you look at these cars, the dashes are all busted up and they're, just kind of roached out. It's a rarity to find one that's this clean. And when you do, you just buy them. The bottoms of the doors are very nice. That's like a couple little touch-up spots down here. I think some of that might be actually glue or something. Couple small, tiny little chips right here. Just a couple tiny little. I think that's actually bugs. I have to tell the detail gal to clean that off. A little black scuff right here that would probably buff off. This car came in this clean. All we really did is wash it and detail it up just a little bit. It was just this nice when it got here, so just an awesome running car. Dash lights work, left turn, right turn, horn, rear window defrost, stereo. The AC does need a charge. Power windows work. Power locks work. Bright headlight indicator. 4-way flashers. What a very nice 86 Monte Carlo Super Sport. License plate lights work, tail lights work, flashers. Turns underneath the hoods, stock and original appearing. Like I said, you can see the bottoms of the doors and stuff. They're very, very nice, super clean. Doors open and shut nice, gaps are nice. I don't think this car's had paint work done to it. It's just been that well kept all its life. Underneath the hood's stock and original appearing. Factory hood insulator. Hood shuts nice, gaps are nice on the hood. Just a nice, clean, quality car. $29,900 is what we're going to ask for this one. Say 49,000 mile car. Shut these flashers off. It's got the overdrive transmission. Once I get out there and turn around, I'll do a walk around the outside of the car, and then I'll show you the inside too with the out in the sun. There's pros and cons of taking the pictures and videos inside, because a lot of times the shade kind of deceives you a little bit when you're looking at the interior color and such. Beautiful day here in Iowa. Car runs out very well. Cruise control works. All the gauges work. Got good oil pressure, temp gauge, voltage gauge, fuel gauge. They're all functioning. What a great car. You can hear there's no air leaks inside the car. Super quiet inside. This is a real good car. Kinion Classic Cars. We're here in Clarence, Iowa. Phone number here at Kinion Classics is 563-452-2450. I was going to give you my cell phone number there. I'm so used to giving that out. And the website is KinionAuto.com. That's K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. Go. Car sounds like it's got the original stock exhaust on it too. Say it hasn't been hot rodded or modded at all. Got the original Monte Carlo Super Sport wheels on it. Does have factory dual exhaust on it. Paint's in very, very nice shape. I'll show you that interior quick. There you go. Might be able to get a better idea of the interior out here in the sun. I'd say super nice. A lot of these cars get all faded interiors, and this one's really clean. They must have sat indoors. A lot of it's like, look how nice them doors shut. I have this one. I'm going to be listing another one too. It's a 6,000 mile, original mile, silver Monte Carlo Super Sport. Going to be listing that here in the next few days too, probably. That one's going to be considerably more than this one with 6,000 original miles on it. But man, I tell you what a nice car this is. Pretty impressive when you go down the highway like this and have the windows up and don't hear any wind noise or any squealing or squeaking or rattling. Transmission shifts nice. Even being that has a 5-liter in it, it still has quite a bit of get up and go. It's still fun to drive. These are such nice looking cars too. All these G bodies are just very popular, and it's what I grew up with, so I really love these cars. So give us a call. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Phone number here again, 563-452-2450. KinionAuto.com. And please do us a favor and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We really appreciate that. And those of you who are subscribers, thank you very much. Really appreciate everyone watching my videos. If there's something else you want to see, you just let me know. Make sure I can take care of you. Give us a call again, 563-452-2450. Have a great day, everyone. I'll talk to you soon.